Evening and welcome back to another Toolbox video. This is the first video with my new to me camera. I'm filming this on a GoPro Hero 7 Black, which I've just bought. So anyway, we'll get on with this video. So I thought I'd do something different from the Alpha's modular tray sets. I've got one here, but I'll do this in the next toolbox video, so I'll just put that to one side. In fact, I'll be doing the next toolbox video after I've done this one. Now what I've ordered here is the DeWalt DCF899 HN impact wrench. So what I'll do is I'll open the impact wrench as soon as I find it. I first found out about this impact wrench through a YouTube channel called Mercedessource. Yeah, this big DeWalt that can undo almost anything. This thing, I'll just get it out of the box first. There's some instructions in there, but we'll worry about that later. This is just the bare one. I got this from Screwfix. I'll put a link in the description. I also got the battery from Screwfix because it costs about the same as on Amazon. So here it is. Just pause for the thumbnail. And this is one serious piece of kit. No lightweight. So I'll probably save the instructions in there. So I won't be disposing of the box just yet. I also bought this 4 amp hour battery, which might need charging instructions in that. But sometimes they come with some charging. So there it is, 4 amp hour battery, the XR1. So there is a bit of juice in it. But last but not least, I've got the trusty folding knife. I ordered a charger on Amazon, so I'll just undo this. Good old Amazon Prime. See if this is any good. It's like a Chinese puzzle, this. Put that box to one side. Got another box to open. Maybe that's Chinese puzzle, not like Russian dolls. Gently nick it. The charger I ordered was the DCB899. I got this off Amazon because they're a lot cheaper and I could have got it in Screwfix. But there we go. The DCB899. And we might have to put this on charge before I can test this impact out. In fact, I'll just try it. I'll just shove it. Yep, there seems to be some juice in it. There's a nice bright light. I don't know how you turn that off, but just try disconnecting that. And you got your 3 torque speed settings there, 1, 2 and 3. And it's brushless motor. Like I said, it's a DCF899H. And this thing can pack some serious torque. I think breakaway is about 1900, but torque is about 900. So what I'm going to do is I'll find a stubborn nut somewhere. I've got it at Dolomite, but you know it's a bit dark outside and it's started to rain, so Let's just try on one at Silica wheel nuts. Right, so all set up. Yep, so just try a wheel nut at random. And there we go. Got it off, and that were only on one setting. So I just put that back in. There we go, be careful not to do it up too tight because this thing packs a punch. So we'll just try another wheel nut on 2 setting. And there we go, that did it really easy. Be careful not to do it up too tight. So try it on number 3. Oh. So on 3. And there we go. Made short work of that. Actually, yeah, that was on 3. So I'll just put it. There we go. So I'll just do it again on 3 setting. This will make short work of taking wheels on and off. If it can cope with wheel nuts, I'm sure it can cope with just about anything. There we go, like this thing seriously packs a punch and it'll do almost anything. In fact, I might just have a go at doing the crank pulley bolt. Well, I don't know why I didn't think of it sooner. Trying it out on the crank pulley bolt. So obviously I jacked it up, took the wheel off, and the impact made short work of it. So we'll see if it's a crank pulley bolt will come out. This will be a good test for it. See what it's really like. So we'll get it in. Yep, we're going the right way. So we'll just proving a real challenge. Okay, we'll try again. It's proving difficult. So I think it might make its match. This is proving really difficult to get off. It's definitely a 19mm. So again. No, it's not doing it. I'm starting to round the bolt off, so looks like this thing's made its match already. But it gets wheel nuts off no problem. So I think that was really the ultimate challenge. So I'll see if I can find something else a bit less challenging. Maybe like these strut bolts. See what size they are. It's definitely not 19mm. Just swap out the socket. See what size this is. Either too small for 19mm. It's not 20. I think it's 21. Yeah. Too big for 21. So I'll try 22. 22 looks promising. So I'll try it on these. So how well you're going to see this? And see if we can get this undone. So here we go. I'm not having much luck here neither. Just try it from this side. No, it just doesn't want to play. I don't think it helps by the fact that there's only one bar of charge left on it. So as you can see, so battery's not its best. It'll probably need a good charge. It got the wheels nuts off easy enough. So I'm going to put this wheel nut on, and I think we'll end, well, not the wheel nut, put the wheel back on, and I think we'll end the video there. Well, this is the future me braking at this point. Now, I might not have been entirely fair to this impact gun because it only had a bit of charge left. It's since been fully charged. As you can see, and to show you that this thing makes short work of whipping these wheels off. Again, that's not entirely fair because it's only on number 1. And that's the wheel off. So get a bit more light on the situation. That little torch, I think it's broken battery lid on it. Keeps coming out. It won't mind anyway to start off with. So got this light. Put this light back into service. Hopefully you can see. I'm gonna have another go at these bolts. I'm not entirely sure what size it is. I can't remember what size it was. And it's bigger than 21, so we should have something suitable. We'll try the 22. Yep, that's about right. So with a fully charged 4 amp hour battery, don't know whether you'll see this. Let's move the light to a better place. Let's see if we can undo these strut bolts. Again, I apologise for the poor angle, it's a bit hard, sometimes it's a bit hard to film, so here we go. So that was on number 1. We'll just try it on number 2. I'm going to try it on number 3. And there we go! It spun it off. Amazing! So yeah, I think that was down to a lack of charge. And I'll see if it'll loosen this crank pulley bolt. I'll just move you to a better spot where you can see the crank pulley bolt. Well, you might not be able to see it when I get the gun on. So let's see if it'll oh yes! There we go! And off it came. So yeah, I don't think that was being entirely fair. So we'll just put it back on. Just a couple of ugga-duggers and we sorted. So yeah, I shouldn't have done it with the 1 bar on the battery. So this thing will take anything off. So with that, it's back to my past self. So that's it for this particular video. Didn't quite work as I'd planned, but like I said, it's literally fresh out of the box with a battery with only 1 bar on it, and got it on charge. You can hear a fan running. It's one of those fast chargers. It's the DeWalt one. I thought I'll go for the better one. You know, could have gone for the 130, you know, the 115, but the 118 is a fast charger, so that'll be good for my needs. So it'll probably improve once it's got full charge on it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment and ring that notification bell. As ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you there.